You're witnessing the world's largest passenger aircraft, the Emirates A380, preparing for its journey from Toronto to Dubai. This magnificent bird, with registration A680, is about to embark on a 13-hour flight covering over 11,000 kilometers. Look at its sheer size and elegance as it slowly taxis towards runway 23. Now, the A380 approaches the runway. A critical moment for takeoff. Runway 23 at Toronto Pearson is one of the busiest in Canada, and today, it's the launch pad for this giant. This particular A380 has served Emirates for over 10 years, connecting continents with unmatched luxury and efficiency. The aircraft pauses, waiting for the final clearance from air traffic control. In aviation, patience is key. Every detail is checked and double-checked to ensure a safe departure. This brief moment of stillness is the calm before the powerful roar of takeoff. Cleared for takeoff. Watch as 560 tons of engineering marvel lift off the ground with grace. The 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 900 engines produce a combined thrust of over 280,000 pounds, propelling this giant into the sky. Next stop, Dubai, where luxury meets innovation in every detail of the Emirates experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this close-up look at the Emirates A380, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content. See you in the skies.